This is your girl again, and today we are doing a different video. We are doing a video from outside. As you can see, naona tu kuna a lot of mwangaza and too much noise. We are doing something different. Today we are going to make the liquid soap. I'm just going to mix as I was told from the shop. I don't know the names of the chemicals. If I tell you the names, I'll just lie. So what I do, I always tell them to write them like numbers. You can see that is number 1, there's number 3, there's a number 2 here. This is color, that one I know. Then there is an additional form. This one they sell, it's not in the package, but they sell outside the package. I bought a package of 10 liters. And it is only 330 shillings. Then there is perfume. This one I know it's caustic. I'm not so sure. Then there is Magadi. This is Magadi. So what we do, just concentrate. We're going to mix all the number ones. You should have also a big basin and a mwiko. And the mwiko is not silly ya kupika ugali. Just find your own things za kutengeneza. In this channel niliwaambia we'll be making simple videos to make life simple. Like instead of buying liquid soap, you can make it yourself. Don't do it as I am doing. You should be wearing your gloves and make sure you wear gloves. And to be in a place where there is good air circulation. So this is Magadi. So we are going to mix all the number ones. As I said, this is 10 liters. That is number 1. There's another one here. I don't know what it is. As I said, when you go to their shop, they will give you the chemicals and explain to you how to do it, but I'll do it for you. I'll show you how we do it. I don't know if you can hear me because of noise. There are so many motorbikes passing around. But as I said, we first mix the number ones together. See? Mix all of them together. Make sure you empty everything in that bottle. Don't, as we said, you don't put anything to waste. Then there is this. I don't know what it is. It's a number 1. So it here. So this soap can be used to wash utensils. You can use it to wash your house. Can also be used to wash clothes. Yes, can be used to wash clothes. If you want to, I'll use it to wash clothes. Can also be used to wash ants. Can be used as hand wash, though there is a better one for hand wash. So we've mixed all the number ones. We'll now stir until they are all mixed up. Let's mix, then we'll come back, see the results. This is what we get to mix the mixture. It's well mixed. As you can see, it looks like a white paste. We still got still starting. You can see the 2 liters. So until everything is, I think the mixture is consistent. We are then adding the water. See the way it's thick. These are 10 liters. If you want, you can add more. For me, I want, this is the thickness I want. So we can now add color. I chose yellow because I wanted the citrus flavor, so I chose yellow color. I've tried pink, I've tried blue, I've tried green. So this time around I wanted to try yellow. Let's see how it goes. In a different bowl, in a different container, then you add. So let's mix ours. You can see. Mix our color. And this is what I did. Because the soap is too much. 2 liters. Too much soap. Something to stir with. Needs a color. I now have and we stir. It looks more of a unwash, but can see. Can see. Then after this stage, you leave it to settle down. Then you put your perfume after it's settled down. Thanks for watching, and it's a bye bye.